Hello everyone, today I will be recording my live session on the E-mini S&P 500 futures. The time frame is 2000 tick chart. As you can see, we are in a range. I had my resistance up here, but after seeing buyers fail to push above this key level, I put it down here, especially because it keeps price action in the middle of this range and it fits better. So as you can see, we had a downtrend. We had the break. I wanted to see a reversal pattern below the EMA. We got a failed second entry long here, but this isn't how it typically forms. We were chopping, there was a strong push above here, so I didn't really want to take this, and it was the right choice. Then we kept pushing up, so now I completely forget about testing the new low and I play this uptrend. We had overshoot generates stronger pullback. It could even generate a reversal. Here we had a reversal pattern again, failed second entry long, but the signal bar is a doji. I was also very skeptical that the uptrend still needed new high, so I skipped it. It was a winning trade, and if you took it, I can see why. Now we had uptrend break a new high, but we kept pushing higher, and this push is extremely big, so I had to widen the trend to something like this, and we're currently still in uptrend, so I'm gonna be taking second entry longs at the key entry point, and hopefully we can catch some trades. Resuming the video because I'm waiting for a trigger to set my limit order here. Unfortunately, I didn't set my limit order in time and I missed that trade. So things like that can happen. I just couldn't take that much risk on one single trade. So it's important you follow your rules no matter how good the trade looks. To recap this day, I personally took no trades. So we started with the downtrend, break a new low. Now you can have multiple ranges inside of one big range. As you can see, the resistance held a lot of times here, so you can draw this while having the big range after. We had overshoot for the uptrend. Overshoot is an unnatural activity in the market, so it could generate stronger pullbacks. You have a new high, first entry long, failure, second entry long, failed second entry long, reversal pattern. The only thing is, it barely touched the EMA, signal bar is a doji, and you're still not very sure of testing new high here. But trading is about taking risk. This is a takeable setup. Uptrend here, break a new high for the uptrend. You start pushing lower, you chop around here. Then you have an uptrend, new high, first entry long, failure, second entry long. Now this resistance hasn't been tested before at this point of time, so you can take this second entry long. Great signal bar. I put my limit order, but I didn't get filled, unfortunately. So unfortunate, but it is what it is. Downtrend, uptrend, downtrend. So now there's not really any clear price action. We're just chopping around here, we're wedging. You don't really want to be taking trades when market conditions aren't the best. So now you have uptrend, broad break, and new high, first entry long, failure, second entry long, failure, failed second entry long, reversal bar. Add this resistance, which has been tested once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, so it's a confirmed resistance. This is the key entry point for this trade, so you can take this. And now we're just too close for market close. So thank you everybody for watching this video, and see you next time.